Warning: you may not be aware of the following. Let's start with: did you know swimming pool and spa chemicals are classified by the EPA as a pesticide? Do you know that pesticides are absorbed through your skin every second you are in the pool or spa? Cigarettes, fumigation, household cleaners, and swimming pool chemicals have one thing in common. Do you know what that is?
All are classified by the EPA as a pesticide.
In 1965, the Surgeon General finally adds a first label warning for tobacco products indicating it is hazardous to your health. In June 2021, there was an updated label that states many other harmful effects. One of the warnings was, tobacco smoke can harm your children. 20 million deaths to date. Chemicals used to fumigate are classified by the EPA as a pesticide. The EPA failed to classify a chemical named chlorpyrifos as a pesticide, and back in July of 2018 a historic lawsuit against the EPA on pesticides, endangered species, was ruled to move ahead. There are thousands of lawsuits against many corporations that fail to advise the consumer about the harmful effects that pesticides can have on humans.
Don't allow yourself, family, friends, or pets be a statistic, and take action now, before it's too late. The chemicals used in swimming pools and spas could be deadly. The next time you go in the water, remember you have a choice. Make the safe choice today.
Fusion 44.
Imagine swimming in drinkable safe water. Never add chemicals of any kind. Fusion 44 is the only system that stabilizes the water, eliminates single-cell organisms, and balances pH and alkalinity precisely, using advanced technology. Technology that eliminates toxic chemicals from your pool or spa. Once you stop adding chemicals and install the system, the present chemicals will dissipate. Setup time is 15 minutes with a lifetime warranty.
Visit our website today and mention this ad to receive first month free. Offer valid until December 31st of 2022. Fusion 44.